So for 22, you were asked to take a look at the part that was shaded in the model and name it as a fraction and as a decimal. And we know that we have one whole and we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 out of 100. Another fraction name for that is 1 and 6/10. And if I look at those, 1 and 60 hundredths would be that, and 1 and 6/10 looks like that. In 23, it says a pad of paper has 100 sheets. Helena has 4 full pads and 53 loose sheets of paper. What decimal number represents the number of sheets of paper Helena has? Well, she has 4 wholes and 53 out of 100. Number 24 talks about tomato seedlings. Vaughn bought 10. 7 are cherry tomatoes and the rest are plum tomatoes. What decimal number shows the fraction of tomatoes that are plum tomatoes? Well, we know that 7 out of 10 are cherry. And to get to the full amount, it would be 3 out of 10. So 3/10 are plum tomatoes. And the last one on the page says 4 track team members run the 200-meter relay race. Kaya ran 200 meters in 31 9/100ths of a second. Both Sarah and Min ran the 200 meters in 31 9/10 minutes. And Lana ran the race in 31 90/100ths. Oh, I'm sorry, it's not minutes, it's seconds. Did all of the team members run the race in the same amount of time? Well, if you take a look at the last 3, we can add zeros to the right of the girls that were tied. And you can see that the last 3 are all the same. And Kaya actually won the race because she's 81 hundredths of a second faster than the other 3 girls. By lining these up and showing that the values are the same, and by adding the zeros to these 2 that were tenths, not hundredths, I showed why they're not the same.